This is the place to be. Party Pilipinas. At nandito tayo ngayon, of course, sa Cebu International Convention Center.
Yes, nako, everybody's ready to party. Alam nyo ba, ngayon lang mangyayari to Ito ay, ang mapapanood natin na susunod, isang showdown. Isang matinding biritan na showdown. Pabihira.
Sobrang solid talaga itong showdown na to.
Oo.
Ito na lang masabi ko sa inyo, Pilipinas, are you ready to witness this grand Party Pilipinas phenomenon? Let's give it up for Rachel Ango versus Asia's
Regine
only songbird, Velasquez!
You thought that I'd be sad without you, all I've heard. You thought I wouldn't grow without you, now I'm wiser. You thought that I'd be helpless without you, now I'm smarter. You thought that I'd be stressed without you, but I'm chilling. You thought I wouldn't say without you, so now look at I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up, I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna hurt her. I'm a survivor. I'm gonna make it. I'm a survivor. Keep on surviving. I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. To be, I'm just so good, but only see the good in you, pretending not to see the truth. You try to hide your lies, disguise yourself through living in denial, but in the end you'll see you won't stop me. I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna work harder. I'm a survivor.
Rachel Ango and Regine Velasquez, dito lang yan sa Party Pilipinas! Diba? Ang galing. Again, happy birthday, Regine.
Thank you. I'm so happy to be singing with Rachel. Yeah, I missed her, di ba? Kasi matagal na kami hindi nagkita. Pero maraming hindi nakakaalam. Dito po nagsimula si Rachel.
Opo. At
Diba?
kayo po yung nag-host ng show namin. Happy birthday po ulit.
Thank you.
Sobrang sarap po ng feeling na makasama po ulit kayo sa Entablado. Hey, thank you po.
Bait ito eh.
Bait talaga. Rachel, what is your birthday wish to Regine.
Birthday wish?
Birthday wish
Ito po
and
yung-
birthday message.
Naku, lahat na po yata. Nasa inyo na po, Miss Reg. Meron na pong career, love life. Nasa inyo na po lahat. Wish more happiness and more blessings to come. At sana po lahat po ng... kung meron pa po kayong gustong pangarap sa buhay, sana po matupad po lahat ng yan.
Thank you,
God bless you po,
Rachel.
Miss
Thank you
Reg.
very
I love you po.
Now we're
Thank
gonna have
you.
messages naman from the best friends of Regine. Jaya, what is your message
Bago
to
lahat,
Regine?
Reg, ito muna yung...
Mamaya na to.
Mamaya na ba yan?
Dulo na to,
Sige.
dulo.
Ay, nako, Reg. Tama si Rachel, lahat nasa sayo na. A lot of people love you, a lot of people respect you, and a lot of people believe in the power of Regine Velasquez.
May power talaga.
Nakita ko yun!
Ang power of
Ay,
Madonna.
nako, promise. Wala one of the good friends nakikita ko yung powers. No, she knows what that means. And Regine is definitely one friend that I can always count on. And I love you. I only wish you one thing. Sana magka-baby ka na. Yun lang.
Yun,
Yun
no?
lang naman eh. Diba?
Sana.
Sa akin yun ang wish ko for you. I love you so much.
Thank you very
And please
much.
rest.
Yeah, I will.
Pahinga ka naman, please.
Bukas.
Happy birthday. Happy
Thank
birthday.
you.
Chano, ikaw
Jano,
naman.
ikaw naman, Jano.
Hindi, alam niyo, Tim and Isa, hindi alam ng mga nanonood. Kanina pa kami sa likod nagse-celebrate ng birthday ni Regine. Doon sa dressing room. Kompleto po, drinks, may fireworks pa.
Kaya nga sabi ko, may
Kompleto,
powers
opo.
yan eh.
May Sebulechon.
So
Ay,
intense.
ang saya po sa likod.
Tim, yun na lang ang kulang. Yung
Kaya nga.
lechon siguro.
Hinihintay namin.
Paparinig ka ba na may magpadala na ng
Oo,
Sebulechon?
lalay na spirito, nagpadala ka na. Oo.
Okay, wag pamikaon. Okay.
Okay. Hindi, ako matagal ko nang kasama si Regine. Yun lang ang sinasabi ko lagi. Matagal ko nang kasama si Regine. Dami na kaming pelikula, di ba? Tsaka concerts together. Pero hanggang ngayon, pag pinapanood ko siya, bilib pa rin ako. Saludo pa rin ako pag kumakanta. Iba eh.
Thank you,
Iba,
Jen.
iba to.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Iba naman talagang Regine
Ayan na,
Velasquez.
nag-blow na ng candle.
Yes.
Did you make a wish?
Okay, Regine,
did.
mayroon ka na bang wish?
Yes. Actually, you know, you guys, I turned 40 this year. And I'm very, very proud.
You don't look it.
Yeah, I'm 40 this year and I'm very proud. It's funny because when you turn 40, somehow, kasi this industry, they make it seem na parang pag nagkakaedad ka, parang it's a sickness when it shouldn't be. That's why I'm very proud na gusto kong sabihin sa lahat na proud po ako na umabot po ako sa edad na to. And I'm still doing the things that I really, really love to do.
Ito naman-
Which is singing. And I'm so, thank you. I'm also very proud and I'm also very happy na narating ko lahat yung mga pangarap ko, binigay sa akin lahat ni Lord. At saka, natutuwa din po ako dahil nandyan pa rin kayo at sumusuporta,
Alam mo-
patuloy na sumusuporta sa akin.
Reg.
So, thank you.
Tim, sabihin ko lang ha, sobra ka naman magsalita. Ano ka ba? Si Jaya nga 60 na, hindi naman...
Oy, kaka-40 ko lang din, ano? Mas
Maldito.
matatapos yun
Joke lang, Mami.
Ate Reg, I'm sure, you know, you are so blessed. I'm sure you have a lot of people that you are grateful to and maybe you'd like to say a few thank yous.
Reg,
Yes.
matagal pa ba itong awit na ako sa cake? Dali ha.
Gusto mo, Jano, tulungan kita.
I'd like to say thank you to Fresh Look Contact Lenses, D-Square, Dr. Vicky Bello. Thank you so much, Dr. Vicky Bello. At saka syempre ang aking Diva family. Thank you very much. At sa lahat po ng mga sumusubaybay sa Diva, sana po patuloy niyong suportahan. Of course, Party Pilipinas staff, thank you so much. GMA 7 family, thank you. And of course, my sisters and my brother, Arya Productions, my family, si Lord, at saka syempre, pasalamatan ko si Augie for making me happy. Ayan. Thank you also to Gretel Ong of Panglao Island Spa and Resort and Miss Tess Labunog of Sumampong of Lobok River Watch Floating Restaurant. Doon po ako nag-celebrate ng birthday ko. So, thank you very much.
Happy birthday, Reg.
22nd.
Regine, thank you so much for the inspiration. Tuloy-tuloy ang pag-inspire mo sa mga milyon-milyon mong mga fans.
I hope so.
Well, happy birthday, Ate
Thank you
Reg.
so much.
May you continue to be blessed. You know what, guys? Alam mo, sobrang
hot mo kasi dahil 40 ka na, di ba?
Yeah.
Meron ding hot na darating sa bansa natin dahil the hottest dating game in the world is about to
In the
conquer.
world, ah.
In the world, ah.
Oo,
It's
buong
about
mundo
to
to.
conquer Pilipinas. That's up next here on Party Pilipinas! Oo nga!
Jimmy Pinoy